Hey guys, just started receiving these emails from Google and very confusing, to be honest with you. There's some update to some policy somewhere, and we've got to add some disclosures and that kind of stuff in the apps. Otherwise, in February, they will probably start pulling apps. So I'm going to just take you through what I've gone through in one of my apps. I'm going to go through it again. Click the app content link that they provide right here. It will take you to your Google Developer account. Click on the Google Developer account and it will ask which app you want to look at. So pick an app. I'm going to pick, I will pick, which one do I want to pick? Sorry, let's pick, bunch here. Which one do I want to do? I don't want to do one and submit it to, let's do this one. Okay, so here we have an app, and this is the app content. So all this stuff needs to be completed to comply. Okay, so I'm going to start and take you through it, and this is not a COVID-19 app, so you're just basically saying it's not publicly available COVID-19 contact tracing app. There's a save button at the bottom right. You save that. Go back to your app content. Just move this down a little bit so you can see better. Data safety. So now we need to fill out this data safety form. I guess this is why they're asking for all this stuff. Hit the next button at the bottom right. And you need to start answering these questions. So does your app collect or share any of the required data user types? Required data types is listed here. So like approximate location, personal name. So we do collect some of this information. So I'm going to go back here and say, yes, we do collect that. Is all of the user data collected by your app encrypted? Yes, it is encrypted. Do you provide a way for users to request that their data is deleted? Yes, we do. Hit the next button. So what are we doing here? So you must select all user types. Okay, so let's go continue on here. So location. We collect the approximate location, I believe. Just click here what this means. Physical user or device location within an area greater than or equal to 1.2 square miles. Precise location less than. Okay, so we're actually precise location because we have in the app system the store locator, which gives you a push notification when you come within 20 or 30 or 40, 50 meters of a business. There's a couple of other geo-targeting messages like that you use. So I guess we'd have to put precise location. Personal info, you expanded here. We collect, depending what your app collects. I know we get name, email. We don't do any of the other stuff, so we don't collect anything else. Name and email. Close that off. Financial info, we don't collect any of this stuff, so you can leave that. Health and fitness, we don't collect any of this stuff. Messages, we do collect emails again. We don't collect SMS or anything like that, so close that. Photos and videos, we don't collect any photos or videos. We don't collect any audio files. Files and docs, we don't collect any documents from the users. Calendar, we don't collect any calendar events. We don't collect users' contacts. App activity, we don't collect this. Web browsing, we don't collect web browsing history. App info and performance. I mean, it's available in the Google Store, so I'm just going to leave this blank for now and see what happens. Device or other identifiers, no, we don't collect any of that information. So hit next. Here we have to complete now. So when you click this, you'll see all these things have to be completed. So we go to show, and now we need to start a form here. Select all that apply. We collect this information. We do not share it. I'm sure you guys do not share it, so make sure you say that. So is this data processed empirically? This means that the data is only stored in memory and is retained for no longer than necessary. Data collected suite must still be disclosed but will not be shown to users on your store listing. Is it collected and only stored in memory? No, it's retained. It is retained. So this is not processed empirically. Whatever that, fairly. I can't pronounce it. But so it's not. So we do collect for example, their information is stored on our database in your back office. So we'll say no to that. Is data required for your app, or can users opt out? Users can choose whether they do that, so put that there. Why is this data collected? So app functionality, advertising, I guess you could say that, personalization, account management, those all apply to the reasons why we would collect that information. So that's, this part is completed. Same thing here, it's collected, it's not shared. No, we save this information. Users can choose. It's app functionality for the email, we need that. Advertising, marketing, account management, all of these things apply. Saving that. So these now have been completed. Location, precise location. Let's start the survey here. It's collected, it's not shared, only stored in memory. So we don't collect precise yet. So this now can say we don't collect this location for any longer than it's needed to and stored in the app. Okay. Data collection is required. Users can choose, again, yes. App functionality is used for features in your app example to enable authenticate users. Not for that. It's used for location, advertising, or marketing. And I think that's it for precise location. I believe that's what that's for. Let's save that. So now this is completed. Okay, location type, hide that, and show this messages. Again, start the survey, it's collected. Why are we collecting emails? This is no. Users can choose. App functionality, not fraud prevention, advertising, personalization, account management. So I think I've covered all of the issues here. Excuse me. Precise location. So all of these things have been done. And I think you hit the next button here again. And preview. All of this stuff is there. Your data is encrypted. Privacy policy is there. Everything looks good. I'm going to save it now. And I believe this is now all that they're looking for in that email that they sent. So hoping that, I'm just submitting it now. I'll keep you updated as to if this comes back, but we've got until February, which is 12 or 13 days away. So we need to get these things filled out for each and every one of your apps that are live. Okay, so just don't disregard those emails, because Google's really tricky that way. They will start pulling apps, and before you know it, you have a bunch of apps that have been removed from the store, and you have to go through all this crap, when your customers don't have apps in the store. So please pay attention to those emails. Go and do what I just showed you in this video. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. Thank you.